from Bosnia. She said during the time since human beings are existing, so many people died. She would like to know where are all those souls, what they're doing.
I don't know. I'm glad that you have started putting your question in a very loud and clear voice. Previously you mumbled with words, but now it's very clear. Huh? Thank you.
Will a sense of pain exist in paradise? Nur Muhammad asked again. Will a sense of pain exist in paradise?
No. That sense which feels will be there, but there will be no pain to feel. Because the same sense which feels the pleasure or pain, the sense will be there, but no pain.